here are the amazing things to do in Moshi. Stay tuned to learn more.
What would the Moshi tour mean without having a cup of coffee? So let's look at the coffee tour at Coffee Union. Did you know that Tanzania is famous for its coffee? At Coffee Union Cave, you can experience an interactive coffee tour, learning about the process from the bean to the cup. The aroma, the history, the taste is an absolute delight. So for me, I chose a cappuccino, a very perfect blend of espresso, foam and milk. Wow, it's just wow.
You know, cappuccinos are seriously underrated. It's a perfect balance of espresso, milk and foam. If you ever be at Kilimanjaro Coffee Union, you should give it a try for sure. You should try this one.
So the next activity you can do is local market tour. To truly experience Moshi, you need to visit the local markets, wander through the colorful stores, taste fresh fruits, chat with the friendly vendors of the fruits, and it's a perfect place to find Tanzanian spices, fabrics and souvenirs. So there are a lot of places you can visit, but just book a town tour and you get a specialized guide who can take you all through it.
So this is one of the products you can find in the local market in Moshi, and it has a lot to offer. This is my favorite, bananas, which are very ripe and they are very clean. So I think I can have a taste just here within the market itself. This is unlike anything you can find anywhere. This is Moshi banana. So there are a lot of variety of fruits, as you can see right there. So move along with it.
So the next one, we head to Lake Chala. This is an ancient crater lake on the Tanzania-Kenya border, so I call it an international lake. Surrounded by cliffs, it's a stunning place for kayaking, bird watching, and peaceful nature walks. I don't know why do I call it peaceful while I encountered more than, was it 4 snakes? Yeah, almost 4 snakes. So whenever you visit Lake Chala, beware of snakes. Although it's part of nature, so it's something to enjoy as well. So let's start with the crown jewel, the Mount Kilimanjaro. Whether you aim to reach Uhuru Peak or just explore the base, this iconic mountain offers unforgettable experiences. If summiting is not in your plans, you can take shorter hikes to places like Mandara Hut or Shira Caves and still soak in its beauty. But note that to do these excursions, you have to book through a tour operator. For my case, I did it through Zara Tours. They are based in Moshi and you can check them in the link below. Also, the mountain has the 5 major ecological climate zones that are cultivation zone, forest zone, heather moorland zone, alpine desert zone, and Arctic summit climate zone. So we have another option in Materuni Waterfall. Just outside Moshi, Materuni Waterfall is an oasis waiting to be explored. A short hike through lush greenery leads to this towering waterfall. It's a perfect place to relax, snap some photos, and even taking a refreshing dip. And if you're lucky, you might get a chance to explore Chaga culture, including their food, their local beer. Oh, that's my favorite, mbege. That's how they call it, M-B-E-G-E. I don't know how you spell it, but it's called mbege. Let's head to Chemka Hot Springs. Looking for the ultimate relaxation spot? Chemka Hot Spring is the place. This naturally heated underground spring has crystal clear waters, making it ideal for swimming or simply unwinding under the shade of beautiful trees. And don't be surprised to have the nibbling fishes that can give you a perfect massage, feet massage. This is a place to be. Don't miss it. Up to the next, this is for wildlife lovers, the Serval Wildlife Tour. This is a must. Get up close with the rare animals, learn about conservation efforts, and experience the magic of Tanzania's wildlife in a responsible setting. Here you will get to face your fears, because I don't think you'll get another place to get up close with a lion and get to touch the lion and other animals such as giraffes, wildebeest, some rare type of monkeys. So this is a must. So let's move to the next one, that is the Maasai Cultural Tour in Moshi. This is an immersive experience that takes you deep into the traditions and the way of life of one of Africa's most iconic tribes. Here is how you can make the most of this journey. So you can visit an authentic Maasai boma, learn about Maasai tradition, experience traditional Maasai dancing, try Maasai cuisine, shop for handmade Maasai jewelry. I like to call them jewelry. Go on the walking safari, as well as jump with them. You can learn a bit of the skill that makes them jump super high from their childhood. Behold, what we have here is another one, Mkomazi National Park, a sanctuary where wildlife conservation shines. This unique haven in North Tanzania is home to the majestic black rhinos and the elusive endangered wild dogs. Thanks to relentless conservation efforts, these remarkable species now thrive amidst the African untamed landscapes.
Hifadhi hii ni mpya.
Witness nature's resilience firsthand as you experience the raw beauty of Mkomazi, a living testament to hope, protection, and our commitment to preserving our planet's most treasured animals. Discover Mkomazi and let the wild inspire you. And finally, as the sun sets, Moshi comes alive. Whether it's a rooftop bars with mountain views, or it's a local live music, or laid-back cave scenes, there is something for everyone. End your day with great vibes and taste of Moshi nightlife. Thank you for watching.